Today we're going to teach a subscriber how to play badminton even better. This is Conrad and he's been playing badminton for how many years?
Like 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
And how good are you?
Average, I guess.
That's not good. Well, today we're only going to take 1 hour to increase his skill level by another 20 years. But first, let's play a little bit with our student Paul. So first they're going to play a 7 points where they're just rallying around. Then after they play 7 points where Paul goes all out. From there, I'll give him a little bit of coaching and he'll play one more to see how much he's improved. Okay, all right, love all, play. Ooh. Outside. Oh. Ooh. Dude, where did that come from? What the? Oh, go, Lee Chong-wei. Oh. Let's do one more, but Paul, you can go 80, 90%. What the? Ooh. All right, so how did you feel about those 2 matches?
Pretty bad.
So what do you think you did well and what do you think you didn't do as well?
I don't know. Maybe place my shots better.
Okay, but what do you think you've done well?
Maybe smashed him. Hard.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Okay.
So there's 2 main things I think we're gonna work on today. One is your balance on shots, and then the second is your speed of shots plus deception in your shots.
Okay.
Because right now, if you watch this video later, you'll see that he never has to move a second time when you're playing him.
Okay.
He always knows where you're going to hit. So that's why we need deception and speed of shots, but with that first, we need our balance. Okay, so let's get our multi and let's work on it. I noticed that when you hold your racket, you're holding it so forward. Is there a reason why you're doing that?
Not really.
If you're playing singles, you should always be at least in the middle, slightly towards the back. You need this momentum on the racket, right?
Okay.
But the thing we need to mainly work on right now is your deception of shots. First, your balance. Because when you generate power, it needs to be from your back foot forward. Okay? This is how you can be stable when you hit. Let's work on a few clears first. I'm gonna serve you with multi. I want you to be stable and then hit. Okay, let's try. Stand still. Yeah, better. Stand still. Still. Good. So in order to stop and hit, you have to move, stop, and then hit. Okay, let's try a few more. Good try. Nice. You'll notice that now that you're stopping on your foot, you're imbalanced more. And also when you're stopping, you're holding your shot, giving you more options to hit deceptive shots. Right now, we need to increase the speed of your shot a little bit more. So good, keep that hold, but when you hit, think like, really have that intention of, I'm hitting the shot forward, okay? It's not going backwards, it's boom, forward.
Okay.
Let's try it. Nice. Yeah, imagine the bird landing as you're hitting. Now that you have this in your mind, we gotta think about how can we add in deception. So what I want you to think right now is when you come up in this, when you're balanced and holding, whatever shot you feel like you want to hit, don't hit that shot. Hit the second option.
Okay.
Nice. Beautiful. Now keep doing that, but make sure all your shots have speed, okay? Your clears have speed, your drops are never loopy. Your drops always have to have speed too. Okay? Speed on your shots. Fast, yeah. You're playing games with your opponent, right? Sometimes, oh, I show you this shot and I hit another shot. Or I show you 2 shots and I hit a 3rd shot. Or sometimes they get ready for I just hit my first shot. Let's try this at the net. Ready? 1, 2. Beautiful. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Right now, let's do a quick full court. I can serve wherever I want in the four corner. I want you to practice this. Think of this 1 and then 2, another shot.
Okay.
Okay? Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Okay, it can have a little bit of work, but I think it's just having this feeling of, you know, I can hit whatever I want and
Right.
having all these options.
Okay.
But first, before that, you need to make sure your balance is in place. Okay, let's take a 5-minute break
Sure.
and let's try playing against Paul again.
Okay, all right.
Good try. Oh, good shot. Ooh. Good try. Good try. Oh, that was a good shot. Ooh, all right, good game, good game. How did that feel? Did it feel a little awkward trying to implement it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, because your habit is so ingrained into you, right?
Right.
But you had some very good shots there.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's probably harder for you to notice, but if you watch back later, you'll see that Paul this time compared to the first time he played, even though he didn't really get completely tricked out by you, his momentum has been shifting a little bit more.
Okay.
And if you really want to beat people in singles or doubles, you have to make sure they're off balance.
Okay.
Okay, so these shots, you really made him a little bit more off balance.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And
And what?